Hello, my name is Nabila Fauzia Syiyami and my attendance number is 107.
Hello, my name is Syila Aulia and my attendance number is 111. Will, is that you? I didn't know you were coming to the circus.
Hello? I'm sorry, but I don't know you. Or maybe I do, but I can't see your face.
You're right, the mask. But I can't take the mask off now. I'm on the show.
Wait a minute. That voice. Don't tell me you are Syila?
Yep, that's me. I'm happy you could recognize my voice. How are you?
I'm great, thanks, but I've never expected to find you here and dressed up like that.
Well, I don't usually tell this to anybody, but I come here to give a show every Friday.
Wow, I just can't believe it. Wow, how is it possible?
But why are you so surprised about it? Isn't it something difficult to believe?
Yeah, but you were studying those, and I suppose you were a lawyer, so.
Oh, now I get it. You think I work here to earn money and I quit studying laws, right?
Yeah, well, are you okay? Do you have any problems?
Ha ha ha. To start, there's nothing wrong about working hard as a clown.
I know that. I'm not saying that, but you always told me you wanted to be a lawyer.
And I am a lawyer. I work for every important law firm from Mondays to Fridays.
Seriously? Wow. But then, what are you doing here? I don't understand.
It is just my hobby. I always love entertaining people, so I decided to do this.
Ah, so this is your hobby. I didn't know that. I'm sorry about my face. It is just that.
But don't you have any hobbies too? I mean, what do you like doing in your free time?
Sure, I have a lot of things I love to do in my free time. For example, I like painting a lot.
Well, I didn't know you like painting. What do you usually paint?
I don't know. I just paint the things I watch and like. Yesterday, I painted a cat.
Oh, I would like to see that sometime. I suck at painting. I've never liked that.
Yeah, I remember you never liked the art class when we were studying together at school.
It's not like I didn't like art, but I didn't like carve out things made by hands.
Oh, yeah, I remember you were in the acting class. You were really good at it.
Obviously, I got the high score in that class. I love acting and dancing.
I never danced with you. We should go dancing sometime. It would be funny, right?
Sure, I love to. Do you like dancing too?
Of course, I love dancing. I used to be the best at that in the school. And also I studied ballet.
Oh, that's amazing. And how often do you dance or practice ballet? I want to know.
I usually practice ballet on Saturdays, but I go dancing to a disco every Sunday.
Can I go to see you dancing ballet? I mean, do they allow people to see that?
No, I'm afraid they don't allow people to go in, but you can go to my presentation.
I will be pleased. When and where is it going to be? Maybe I can go with some friends.
It will be in 1 month. I will perform in the Central Theater for an organization.
Well, I'll be there, and congratulations for you. That must be a great achievement.
Thank you very much. And what do you like doing apart from this? Maybe any other hobby?
Well, I come here every Fridays to entertain people, but I also like cooking.
You're kidding! Wow, I like women who cook well. I mean, that's kind of attractive.
Seriously? Well, you make me blush. Oh, talk, you can say it. Through this mask.
You're a clown, literally. I'm sorry.
No, you're right. That's what I like doing, and it seems I do it well.
And what can you cook very well? Any dessert maybe? I like sweet, you know?
Well, I can prepare an excellent chocolate cake for you. You will love it, believe me.
I love chocolate cake. One of my hobbies is going to different restaurants to try them.
What do you mean? Go around the city trying different flavors of chocolate cake?
Not only chocolate cakes, but yeah, I go around the city looking for different flavors.
Wow, that sounds interesting. Can I go with you sometime? I wanna try them too.
Of course. Hey, do you like skating? I will go skating next month.
Skating? No. To be honest, I've never tried it.
Oh, but would you like to learn? It is not that difficult and we can go together if you wish.
Then I will try it. But you have to teach me and be very patient with me, okay?
Alright, I will try it. And what are you doing after tonight's show? Do you have any plans?
Well, I was thinking about going home and okay, I think this is little embarrassing.
Embarrassing. What are you talking about? You can tell me, don't worry.
Well, I like think toys or toys to be exact. I have a collection of them at home.
Well, I don't think that is something to be ashamed. I also like collecting things.
Seriously? Wow, that is a surprise. What kind of things do you collect?
I like collecting coins. I'm a huge fan of them. I have 1,000 coins from different places.
That's really interesting. Hey, why don't you take your coins and we check our collection together?
That sounds well, and maybe we can drink something. I like the idea.
I love that idea. I finished the show in 1 hour. Will you go to see the show?
Of course, I've already paid for my ticket. Let's go.
Let's go. You will have fun or I'll give your money back.